I am so excited to be bringing you a jewelry try-on haul. We're gonna be trying on some new pieces from a brand called Aurate New York. I actually discovered this brand last year during the summer, I believe. I ended up getting this really beautiful emerald necklace. I've shared this in a vlog in the past, but I'm so excited. We're doing a full jewelry try-on. They sent me 3 pieces and then I actually ended up buying one myself. So we're gonna go through 4 pieces of jewelry from the brand Aurate. I do have a discount code that you can use on their site. I'll have my code on the screen and down below in the description box if you want to save some money on your order. The reason I wanted to do a full video on Aurate is because I have loved this necklace. I've gotten so many questions on this. I wear this necklace all the time. It's 14 karat gold and emerald and it is so gorgeous, you guys. I've showered in it, I've worked out in it, and it's just held up incredibly. And you guys know I love jewelry, and so when I found this brand, I was like, I need to do a full video on them because this one really stuck out to me, from packaging to actual quality and the design. So I'm so excited to show you guys all of these pieces that I got. First up, the packaging of Aurate. So we have 2 smaller boxes here that are wrapped, and then we have this larger box and then this necklace box. So there are quite a few different ways that your jewelry could come packaged. We're gonna start with the smaller boxes. This is what the outside of the packaging looks like. It has the logo, and then this just slips out like so. This is the same box that my necklace came in. So again, I just loved the whole unboxing process. This is the box. It is cardboard, but it's like really substantial. And then inside of here, it says Aurate on the top. We've got a dust bag. This is what the dust bag looks like. Again, it has the logo, and then this is the actual dust bag. So I love how small that is. And then there is a little card here. And then underneath this card, which just says that it's certified by the brand. This is our first piece. This is the Trois Emois ring, and I'm obsessed, you guys. So this ring is $265. Again, you can use my code to save 20%. What's really cool about this ring is that you can actually go onto the site and you can do a made to order customization of this ring. So I actually did made to order for these pieces. They took, I believe, 5 weeks to create and get shipped to my house, but you can choose the actual color of the ring. So you can do white gold or yellow gold, and then you can do the different sizes. What's really great about Aurate is that they do half sizes, and that was like really crucial for me for one of the rings that I got. I'll show you guys, but this one I just got in a size 5. And then you can also customize which gemstones you want to be emerald or white sapphire. So you can actually do, I believe, white sapphire throughout. So do 2 white sapphires, or you can do a blue stone and a white sapphire, or the green and the white. I really loved the emerald. I thought it would be really pretty to match my necklace. This ring is gold vermeil, so you're gonna wanna be careful with any gold vermeil jewelry to not shower in it. Probably take it off when you wash your hands. You need to be a little bit more careful. With gold vermeil, you will probably want some sort of polishing cloth as well, just to polish it up, but it's so pretty. It actually sits pretty low too, so it's kind of out of the way, but I love the way that the actual gemstones are set in these prongs. So gorgeous, and I just think it's such a unique ring. I love the white sapphire and the emerald. Also, I'll be sure to link my other jewelry that I'm wearing down below in the description box, but I just think that's so gorgeous. Okay, next up in our second small box, we've got another dust bag. And this ring I'm so excited about. This is the next ring, and it's actually 3 rings intertwined. So this is the interlocking ring, and I love this style. I just feel like it's super unique and it's such a statement. This one actually is gold vermeil as well on sterling silver. It does come in a gold vermeil option, a rose gold, and a white gold option. And then these again do half sizes. So I actually got this in a 5.5, which fits my middle finger perfectly. I can squeeze a 5 on my middle finger, but very few rings can actually fit my middle finger. So the fact that they had a half size, I was so excited about, because I've been really wanting something for my middle finger. And again, I can squeeze them on, but having a ring that actually just fits correctly is so nice. So I'm able to get it on without like jamming my knuckle, and I just absolutely love this ring. I think it's so pretty. And they do have a double interlocking ring option, so if you just want the 2, they have a ring for that. But I actually really love the 3, and it's something that I don't have in my collection, so I was really excited about this style when I saw it on this site. Next up in our bigger red box, very similar sleeve, and then the actual box here. here. Another card and a larger dust bag. Some earrings. These are the white sapphire mixed shape hoops, and they are so pretty and bold. These ones actually are yellow gold vermeil over sterling silver, and there's also a white gold option. Yellow gold is actually in stock, so you don't have to wait for these ones to be made. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in. One thing I will note about these earrings is that the gold vermeil on these is a little bit of a muted gold than the rings. So you can see here, these are a little bit more of a saturated gold, but I think these are so pretty, and I love how bold they are. I love the size. That's such a good medium-sized hoop. They're also really lightweight. They look like they would be kind of heavy and chunky, but they're actually really, really comfortable in the ears. I feel like these would be a really good earring for an event, like a nice dinner or a work event or even like a wedding. They're just so, so pretty, and you really don't even need like a second or third piercing. I feel like they just look so beautiful by themselves. But now onto our last box. This is a necklace box, and I just love their packaging and their presentation. But inside of this box here, we've got a beautiful necklace. This is a white sapphire bezel tennis necklace, and this also comes in white gold, I believe, but this is the yellow gold, and it matches my bracelet, which is really fun. I love a good bezel setting. I feel like it's a very modern setting, very clean, and I just thought this would be such a pretty necklace for layering. This is what the clasp looks like. It's a lobster claw clasp, and you just pop these open and push down this button here to open up the necklace. I love these clasps too because they're really easy to get on by yourself. This is the 16-inch length, so it is a shorter necklace, and I love how it hits with these like 18-inch chains. It just, oh, it's such a good layering piece. I love the way that it looks layered with this emerald necklace. Since this is more of a dainty chain, this is a little bit more of a bold piece. It hits higher on the stack as well, and I think they just layer really nicely together. They do have a lot of diamond pieces on the site as well, so diamond rings, tennis necklaces, bracelets even, so definitely be sure to check out the site. Like I said, I'll have my discount code in the description box. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'd love to have you back on my channel for some more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys.